Hey everyone, welcome back to another Flowlab tutorial. This is going to be setting up enemies part 2. So in the first video I had it set up so that this little cat, who's the enemy, hit a grass block on either side and would flip and toggle between the two. In this second part, I'm going to set it up so that the cat hits an invisible block here and then flip to the other side. And this is a really great technique because you might want to have your enemy up on a platform. So for instance, I could go ahead and clone this, and I could just do like, really small platform, and then I could put the cat up here, and you want the cat to basically just stop at the edge right here. So what the heck, let's go ahead and let's set that up. I'm gonna give this cat a little bit more space. There we go. Okay, so I'll set this up and I'll go ahead and make it so that my character can actually get up there. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I need to make a object that is going to be the enemy collider. So I'm going to go ahead and click and create, and the sprite is going to be invisible, so it really doesn't matter what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to call this type enemy collider, and then I'm going to go here to physics, and I'm going to uncheck is solid, but I'm going to check on enable collisions. Go back to the properties, and I'm going to go ahead and go to behaviors. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and come up here with triggers. I'm going to add a once trigger, and so that means that when the game starts, this is then going to do what I tell it to do. And now I want to add a new kind of block, at least new to my class, that's called an alpha block. And let's see, it's here in the properties category. So I'm going to go here to alpha. And alpha just means the transparency of an object or of graphics. And then I'm going to go ahead and get a number block. And I'm going to leave the number at 0. So a 0 alpha, and that means it will be invisible. So I'm going to just connect them up to the in, connect that up there. If I set the number to, say, 50, it would be 50%. So you would actually be able to see through the object. So it'd be semi-transparent. So there we go. Okay, so now I'll just show you. If I go ahead and press play, and you'll see that the collider block is not there, but it actually is there. And of course, we need to get that set up because the cat is going all throughout the level. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get this set up, and then of course I'll make another one over here on the left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up with the cat. I'm going to go into the cat's behaviors, and this time I'm going to go ahead and set up a collision, but this was from my previous video, so I made a collision block with any, but instead I'm going to change it from any type. It's going to be with the enemy collider. And make sure that the left and the right are detected, but not top and bottom. Okay, and then I've got a flip block, and it's set up to toggle. So now it's set up for the enemy collider. Now all I need is another enemy collider over here. So the cat should really just be inside that. Now what I could do is I could give the cat a little bit more space and do something like that. There we go. So the cat will now go the full length of the platform. Okay, so you see, nice tight movement, enemies there, and I can go ahead and jump on the cat and take the cat out. All right, I hope this helps you out, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for coming.